So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the mala case again. So in the previous video, I actually introduced this case as like a container, like a case where you can keep all your materials, and the surface, you can actually use it when you're sitting down or when you're like sitting at a table or putting this on the lap. So somebody actually challenged me. Okay, I had this I got this comment on my website, and this is what the person said. She said, "Oh, please do another review showing how one could use this drawing case with a sketchbook. Try putting a sketchbook, palette, paint rub, put something to support it, and use it as an easel." So this is what she has suggested. She actually gave me some tips, and I actually went to Daiso after that. She, on how to actually put all these things together and what materials we should get. We went through like 2 or 3 iterations, and I think this is what I have come up with. And it's not perfect, but I think that's what I can offer right now, and it's up to all of you to think of better ways to improve this sketching easel. What do we actually want from this mobile easel sketching kit that you make from the mala sketching case? So firstly, the hack should be easy to do, which means you shouldn't have to take apart stuff, drill holes, cut up things, and you do not need any special equipment. And of course, if you are unsatisfied with the hack, you could also go back, revert it to what it's meant for, which is just a drawing case. It should be able to hold the palette, the water bottle, the sketchbook, rug fairly stably, so things shouldn't like start falling off. Number 3, it should be easy to set up, like fast and easy. It should be hands-free, so I shouldn't be putting things on the floor while I'm doing it, and I shouldn't be like holding it up while I draw. The last point is it should be lightweight. So these are the 5 criteria, 5 points we need to take note of, but I think it's difficult to meet all 5. We will try our best, okay? So here's what you need for this project. Of course, you need the mala case and a flat water bottle. I've spoken about this water bottle previously in my shopping at Daiso video. It allows you to flat pack water, and you can actually zip it in here. That you need to use a metal palette. So this is a palette that you need to look for one that sticks to a magnet, right? And you also would need a water container. So remember, we had the water bottle, but you need a container which is magnetized at the back, at the bottom. So this is like similar to what we see at like IKEA, where they actually keep spices. I got this at Daiso, and it allows me to use like a bit of water. You can actually contain an amount of water, and it's transparent, so you can actually see what's in there. Although it's not important, but I really like the profile because it's not very thick, right? Other than that, you need 2 or 3 numbers of magnetic clips. So they are actually clipboard clips, okay? And they have the magnet at the back. I ditched the rug. I got the tennis wristband. You put this onto your wrist, and you can dab away the water on a brush on your wrist. Okay, so this is why I changed the rug that I normally have to a wristband. You need 2 clips. So the thing about these clips is that they are metal, but I like them because the size of the clip surface is actually quite wide. So it's a good 10 cm, and there should be a hole here, so that we can clip a strap to it. So this strap, luckily I got this because I got this is part of the kit that I bought, the watercolor pot, and this is the strap that came together with it. So it come with 2 clips at the edge and the end here, right? And which you can clip to this to the 2 clips here. Okay, and the strap is actually adjustable. So other than this, you will also require 2 elastic bands, okay, with Velcro on either side, okay, that you can fix together. Okay, so yeah,
So now we have all the materials. Let's put this together and see how we can make the mala case into an easel.
Keep the case unzipped with the hard surface up and handle on the top. Remove the palette, sketchbook and water bottle. Keep the water bottle and palette in the heat bag. Remove the water container, magnetic clips from the sling bag. Keep them in the heat bag. You won't need these items until we paint. Clip the bullock clips to either side of the case on the soft side. Attach the back strap to the bullock clips via the hole on the clip. Pull the elastic band across the hard surface, and this is for holding down the sketchbook. And then wear the strap across your shoulder and balance the bottom of the case on your heat bag. You should be able to flip the hard surface over to retrieve your drawing materials in this way. Retrieve the water container, clips, palettes, waistband from the heat bag. Attach the magnetic clip to the hard surface of the bag. Wear your wristband. Attach the palette and water container to the magnetic clips. Remember to remove the palette and the water container if you need to retrieve anything from the case.
Biggest issue I have with this my hack, right, is that firstly it's heavy, so it's the kind that will actually give you like a neck ache and a back ache at the end of the day, because a lot of the attachments that I've used are made of metals because I wanted to use a magnetic connection. Second issue is that it is actually not possible to just hold it without an extra bag. So I would actually have to carry another like hip pack or fanny pack just so that it's stabilized at the bottom. So that's an extra thing that I had to carry. Setting up takes a little bit long. Yeah, if you have any idea how to improve this, lighten the weight, or change the way things are configured or stuff like that, just let me know in the comment section below, and we can all have a discussion, and maybe we can actually make this even better. Thanks for watching this video. If you like my video, do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if it resonates with you. And I do, if you want to support me, you can actually included the link for donation in Coffee, so you can give me a donation, and that will help me buy more things and also maybe work on making the video better for everyone. All right, so thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.